I asked you to come here today for a reason, because you represent so many mothers out there. So we're gonna do something a little different. I want you to look at this screen because I have a video, and this is a video of a woman much like you, at your age. We're gonna show you what happens over time if you continue to make the wrong choices. And at home, if you're like Debbie, I want you to watch as well. So here she is, starting her day. She goes into the bathroom. She's thinking about flossing, but like a lot of us, decides to skip it. She gets ready, she makes breakfast for her family. She ends up pouring herself a cup of coffee and eats nothing nutritious before rushing out the door. At work, you know what? The elevator's easier, so she takes it. And due to this stressful day of work, she never gets up and leaves her desk. She never walks around. And by the end of the day, she's so tired. All she seems to have the energy for is to drive through and pick up fast food for her family.
Yeah, can I get 4 hamburgers and 4 fries, please?
Can you relate?
Yeah, I can.
Let's fast forward 10, 20 years and see how she's feeling. See, here she's starting her day off tired, as you might expect. And of course, she's slowly gained some belly fat over the years. She has absolutely no energy throughout the day. Obviously, her doctor's visit is not going so well. And now she's like millions of Americans. She's developed type 2 diabetes. Parts of her life are affected that you wouldn't even think about. Her libido is practically non-existent. And because she's overweight, she's more likely to suffer from sleep problems or obstructive sleep apnea, and that feeds into that cycle of a lack of energy. Could you see yourself feeling that way?
Yeah, I can.
Do you want to feel that way?
No, really don't. Well,
Well, she had a choice to make a change here, but she didn't. Let's see what happens 20 years further down the road. So look at how tired she is. Struggling to walk around because she has arthritis. She's taking 10, maybe 15 medications every single day. She doesn't want to play. She doesn't have the energy to play with her grandkids. Everything hurts. Her energy levels are terrible. And you know what? This is someone who, when she looks in the mirror, she doesn't like who she's become. The simple act of walking becomes difficult. And then this may seem dramatic, but I put this in here for a reason, because I always say the choices you make now could prevent your own visit to the ER someday. Could prevent you having a fatal heart attack before it's your time. So let's all look in the mirror, figuratively, and ask ourselves, if we could change all of what just took place, would we? Would you?
absolutely.
Would you?